5-7, we have everything.
I want a chicken.
We will have that.
I thought you said you had everything.
But we have a juice.
I think I'll have a puppy.
We will have that.
Do you have any lions?
No.
Tigers?
No.
Bears?
No.
Oh my.
We got Pop.
What else do you have?
Keys.
Alright.
He wants keys.
Keys to what?
To play for your car.
Okay. Thanks.
Dad! You get a toy from that.
Okay.
Didn't he have to pay for it? What kind of store is this?
Okay.
But you don't need to.
Okay.
The art store don't need to get paid.
I paid him with my snake.
You have to give us your card, and we have to order, and we'll give it back.
I don't have a card.
We can.
Okay, alright. Right here. Alright. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.